Hello from this side. Thank you for watching this video today. My name is Susan and I am filming this video from Abuja, Nigeria. So today we're going to be making this delicious fried okra and ogbono soup. So let's just get right started. I'm going to start by grating the okra. You can of course chop your okra if you prefer chopped okra, but personally I would rather go for grated okra. So I'm going to grate my okra, then I'm going to add some palm oil into my ogbono that I have blended dry. Adding palm oil is very important because it's going to help your ogbono cook faster. Adding palm oil and letting it sit for a while is going to get the ogbono softer so that when it's time to cook, it's not going to cook for more than a minute or two before it's done. So now we're going to add about half a cup of palm oil into a hot pot. Then we're going to go ahead and add the okra I had already grated, about this quantity of okra. Then I'm going to stir fry this. It is very important because you cannot let it sit for a while, it might just get burnt. So you're going to start and stir fry this. This stir frying process took me just about 3 minutes to get done. You don't need to fry it dry. The aim is not to fry it dry like you're frying a deep fryer. It's not dodo. The idea of this is just to infuse the flavor of the palm oil into the okra. So this shouldn't take long. About 3 minutes on medium heat and I was done. Now while my fried okra is sitting, I'm going to go ahead and put some pomo. This is the time to add your fish, your beef, your chicken, whatever you want to use. I'm just going to be using pomo for this soup today. So I'll put that in the pot to cook. Then I'll add all my seasoning, all the ingredients I want to use. Some salt, some stock cube, some pepper, some locust beans. It's time to add all those. Now after that has cooked, I'll add my ogbono. You can see me adding my ogbono. Now this ogbono, because of the palm oil that I have let it sit in all this while, it's not going to cook for more than a minute or two. While that is done, I'm going to add my okra, my already grated okra. Now the final step, this okra is just going to sit on the fire while I stir it evenly for just about a minute or two because we've already fried it earlier. We don't want the okra to be overcooked. Now we're going to add the vegetable. This soup is not complete without vegetable. This is ugu. We're going to be adding this vegetable and we're going to stir. The vegetable also doesn't need to cook for long. All you need to do is just stir it for about a minute and then the heat from the pot, from the soup is all right to cook it. You don't need to leave it on the fire for a very long time. So now you can do your final tasting. I tasted and needed some more salt, so I added a little salt. And now it is ready. My delicious soup is ready. Try this at home and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. See you next time. Bye.